Okay, next step. Now that everything's dry, time to put wheels and axles together. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick it up. I'm not even going to bother to wipe it off yet. I'm going to pop a wheel on. I'm going to spin it a couple of times. Yeah, it's going to spin nicely. I'm going to set the wheel down. Then I'm going to wipe the excess off the axle quickly. Put it back together. Set it aside. Going to do that with all four. Quick spin. Wipe it off. Reassemble. Wheel number 3, same process. Gets a little bit of the pledge onto the bore of the wheel, and then gets the excess off the axle, because too much isn't good. So, number 4. Okay, nope. Okay. Now, next step. If you've already got your car done, take your cloth with a little bit of that pledge, stick it on the side right where the wheels are. That way, if it touches, it's slippery. Next thing I'm going to do is insert my wheels. Hold them like that. And I'll put it in about the width of a dime. I've been doing this a long time, so I just kind of have an automatic feel for how I want them. Okay, back wheels are in. Front wheels. And now, some things you'll notice right away. This one doesn't go in very well. So I'm going to give it a little bit of an assist, nothing serious. It's an old body, I'm not shocked. Okay, so what do I have now? Well, if I look at the back of the car, my wheels should be angled this way just a little bit. That way, as it goes down the track, they roll out and away from the body. Good idea. On the front, you'll notice one is higher than the other. Typically, we'll drill them that way for kids because 3 on is faster than 4. Now, if both of your holes in the front are at the same height, the quick cure for that is just to take the axle out, bend it a little bit, stick it back in. Now, my next thing I'm going to be trying to do is to see how it rolls. Because this wheel doesn't touch, I don't want it to hit that center rail. So, how do I take care of that? What we'll do next, get out the board and I'll show you. So, stand by.